Good morning, students. I hope you are all fine. In today's video, we are going to listen the lesson number 14. Okay, in social studies. What is the topic of the lesson? The topic of the lesson is the festivals we celebrate. The festivals we celebrate. Okay, it's already done in Zoom, so we'll have a recap of it. Okay, yes. Okay, what are the festivals we celebrated in India? As we have already known, it's divided into national festivals and the religious festivals. Okay, people celebrate both festivals. What are national festivals? National festivals we celebrate to remember some important events. Okay, what are the important events? Republic Day, Independence Day, and the Gandhi Jayanti. These are some examples of national festivals. And festivals which are related to particular region, particular region are called religious festivals. For example, for religious festivals, what are the examples for religious festivals? Are Holi, Eid, Christmas, and Guru Purab. Okay, yes, and in details we'll explain about the national festivals and the religious festivals. Okay, first we'll move on to national festivals. Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti are the three national festivals we celebrate. Okay, we celebrate Republic Day. First we'll move on to Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January, isn't it? Yes, the president hosts the national flag of Rajput. And this is followed by a grand parade, isn't it? Yes. And the armed forces, police, folk dancers, and school children take part in the parade. Yes. And children who have been given bravery onwards also participate in this parade. Okay. Yes. And national festivals, it will be added that there's a Republic Day, who is usually a foreign dignitary. Okay, the chief guest sits with the president and enjoys the parade and cultural programs. Okay, yes. Next is the Gandhi Jayanti. Next we move on to Gandhi Jayanti. Okay. About Gandhi Jayanti, it will be said to be the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. That it will be said that it is the birthday of the father of our nation, that is Mahatma Gandhi. Okay. It is a story of Gandhiji's birthday, and his wife Kasturi Gandhi had lit a diya of ghee. Gandhiji had been very angry because he felt that he had no right to enjoy and celebrate his birthday when there were so many underprivileged people in his nation. Okay. Yes, his history is he is born on October 2nd, 1969 in Gujarat, and he was married at a young age, and he went to London to study the law, and later he went to South Africa. Okay, this is all the extra points. Okay, about Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi. He practiced Satyagraha and Ahimsa, and he came to India and joined the freedom movement. Okay, and he faced severe ill treatment in South Africa. Once he was thrown out of the train for being dark, he fought for his rights. Okay, Mahatma Gandhi, he fought for his rights. Okay, this is about the Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, in general, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Next, we move on to religious festivals. Religious festivals. What is religious festivals? Indians celebrate many religious festivals. Okay, first we move on to Holi. Holi is celebrated in different parts of India, and it is celebrated in March, in the month of March. And how did they celebrate? People throw colored powder called the gulal, okay, and splash water on one another. This is a simple. This is Holi is nothing but they are splashing water on one another, and it is celebrated in different parts of India and during the month of March. And Dasara. Dasara is the story of the Ramayana. Okay, Dasara is nothing but the story of Ramayana, and it is told in some places. Durga Puja and Navaratri is celebrated during this time. Okay, Durga Puja and Navaratri is celebrated during this time, and it celebrates the victory. In Dashera is also called the Vijayadashami. It's also called as another name of Dashera is the Vijayadashami, and it celebrates the victory of good over evil. Ram Leela is performed during Dashera. Ram Leela. At this time, Durga Puja and Navaratri is also celebrated. Okay, next festival we're going to learn is the Diwali. Diwali or Deepavali means it's a row of lights, and it is the festival of life. It is also called as the festival of light. And it is before Diwali, houses are being cleaned, and on Diwali Rangoli is made and diyas or light, and families visit their relatives and friends. Okay, and people decorate their houses, and they are called with the Rangoli. Okay, they also make a Rangoli at the entrance of their house. This is a common festival. And next is the Gurupurav. Gurupurav. Okay, next festival is the Gurupurav. Gurupurav is celebrated to honor and remember the 10 Sikh Gurus. Okay. This is the musical piece of Ek Onkar can be played in the background, and prayers and langar are held in Gurudwaras. Langar are nothing but the is a service to the community. Is a type of service to the community, and eating together and forgetting the difference based on the caste. Okay. It's a community eating, and food is distributed in this during this time of celebrating Gurupurav. It's community. The food is being distributed by the Gurudwaras. Okay. In the Golden Temple in Amritsar, langar is held every day. Langar is held every day. Where? In Golden Temple. In the Golden Temple. Where is it? In the Amritsar. Held every day, and it is said to that not a single person in the city sleeps hungry. This is the purpose of celebrating Gurupurav. Okay. The idea behind langar is service to the community and eating together and forgetting difference between castes. This is the purpose of celebrating Gurupurav. And next festival is the Eid. Eid, E-I-D, Eid. Okay. Eid ul-Fitr and Eid ul-Zuha are the two main Eids that people celebrate, and the people pray together in mosque. After the Eid namaz prayers, people wish each other Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak. Okay. And the Sewain, S-E-W-A-N, is a sweet dish, is prepared on Eid ul-Fitr, and most people give clothes and money to the poor people and the needy one. This is the purpose of this festival. And last is the Christmas. Christmas, people celebrate it on 25th December, and it is the birthday of the Jesus Christ. And people put up Christmas trees in their houses and office and decorate them. And they also exchange gifts, and special prayers are held in churches. Okay? Yes. And you can look at the picture. This is the people take out procession in the Gurupurav, and children also take part in them. Okay, you can look at the picture. Okay, yes. Okay, that's the last. Next to last one is the Buddha Purnima. Buddha Purnima. The birthday of Gautama Buddha is celebrated as Buddha Purnima. Okay, the birthday of Gautama Buddha is celebrated as Buddha Purnima. And Mahavir Jayanti, the birthday of Lord Mahavira, is celebrated as Mahavir Jayanti. Okay, yes. Okay, just for a recap, what are the festivals we have seen. Okay, in general, these are the festivals. What are the festivals in general? What the main points in this lesson is what are the festivals which celebrated in India? Okay, yes, the types of festivals are national festivals and the religious festivals. National, two festivals division. The festivals are divided into two. What are the national and religious? National festivals are Republic. Example for national festivals are Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. And the religious festivals are the Eid, Holi, Christmas. These are comes under religious festivals. And birthdays of important people such as Gautama Buddha and or also Lord Mahavira are also celebrated as festivals. Okay. Yes. Okay. In example, Holi. First one, say the Holi. Holi is celebrated in India, and it is it's the throwing of the color and water into different types of people. This is called Holi. And next we move on to Dashara. Dashara is the story of the Ramayana. And Diwali is also called the festival of light. And before Diwali, houses are clean. On Diwali, Rangoli is made. Okay. And firecrackers, the bursting of firecrackers also done. And next we move on to Eid. Eid is Eid al-Fitr or Eid al-Zuha is being discussed, and it is told that it is in this during this festival the distribution of clothes, food, and money to the poor and needy is an important part of the Eid. And next is the Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on the 25th December of every year, and it is the birthday of Jesus Christ is being celebrated. Okay. And the last topic we've seen is the Buddha Purnima and Mahavir Jayanti. The birthday of Gautama Buddha is celebrated as Buddha Purnima, and the birthday of Lord Mahavira is celebrated as Mahavir Jayanti. Okay. Yes, that's it for today. I hope it will be easy one. And for your homework, and learn all the book back exercises. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you, children.